Hello, second graders. Miss Gordon again. I'm here to show you a few things about Schoology and how to use it. We're going to work on 3 things for Schoology today. Okay, and these are those 3 things. These are our 3 I can statements for today. 1, I can get to my Schoology classroom home. 2, I can open links and folders. 3, I can find my work for each day. Okay, so again, 1, I can get to my classroom Schoology home. 2, I can open links and folders. 3, I can find my work for each day. So let's go ahead and head over to Schoology and get started. Every student has a student homepage that looks a lot like this. Okay, no matter if you have my Miss Gordon, Miss Marino, or Miss Shannon, all of us have really similar homepages. Okay, these right here, all 4 of these squares that you see are links. Now, a link on the internet basically means a button. Okay, this is a button that you can click on. Sometimes links or buttons are blue words with underlines, blue words without underlines. Sometimes it's the only way you know if it's a link is if your mouse changes from a pointy mouse to a hand, and it looks kind of like a finger. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. Here's my mouse. Can everyone see it right here with the little spotlight? Watch what happens when I move my mouse over the words material. I'm going to hover my mouse, which means I'm not going to click. I'm just going to move my mouse over the words material. There. Did you see what happened? My mouse was pointy, and then it switched and it turned into a hand. This means that I can click right now and something is going to happen because this is a button. This is a link. Now, this link might take me to a whole new web page. It might open a folder, or it just might open a list. It might have something that doesn't take me to a new page, but something happens on this page. For this one, it takes me back to my home page. See, so sometimes we learn just by seeing that this is a link and then giving it a go. Click on it, see what happens. If you want to get to know Schoology better, this is a good way to do it. Hover over a button to find out if it's a link. If your mouse changes, and click on it. See what happens. Give yourself the opportunity to explore. Now, if we can figure out if something is a link, then we're going to use some of those links. Today, we're going to focus on just a few. Okay, you know that these are all links. They are all buttons. When I move over them, you can see that my cursor or my mouse turns from a pointy mouse to a finger mouse. Okay, so those are all buttons up there. Today, I want you to think about the folders that we have down on our homepage. So I can use my scroll button to scroll down, and I'm going to look at our folders. Okay, you should see 3 folders. They all have this picture right next to them. Okay, it's a picture of a folder. So that's how you know that is where items are going to be stored, because that's what we use folders for. Think about the folder that's in your banker box. It is a folder that holds papers in it. Digital folders or folders on the internet are the same. They are places where we store different items, where we keep our digital papers. So every single day, you are going to have a folder with all of your work for that day in it. Okay, this is the folder for today. It has the schedule listed out down here so that you can keep track of what you're supposed to be doing when. But really, to get to the work, we have to click on this. I know it's a link. I know it's a button because my mouse changes from pointy to a hand, and it's blue, and you see how it gets that underline when I put my mouse on top of it. So that means that it's a link, and I can click on it, and this link is going to take me inside the folder. Okay, inside my folder is all of my work for today. Now, your teachers want you to complete this all in the order that we have it written down. Okay, so you need to go to the first one first, which is how you got to this video today, and then you're going to go to the next one. Okay, now your early finish work is your next one today, because this video is not going to take up the whole time for the lesson block that we have out. Okay, 9:30 is our first lesson, so you're probably going to finish this video before it's time for our next activity. So that's why we have our early finish work activity right here second. Okay, now if you see this gray check mark, then that's because you haven't finished that activity yet. Mine is gray because I haven't done it yet. Once I've done it and completed it, it's going to turn green, and that's when I can go down to the next activity. Okay, so remember, this is a folder. Okay, this is your folder for today where all of your work for today is. So if we go back to our I can statements, this is our last one. I can find my work for each day. So every single day, you're going to have a folder for that day, and that's where you're going to go to find that day's work. Okay, now I can open links in folders. We talked about that. Blue words, when we hover over something, when our mouse changes from a pointy mouse to a finger mouse. Okay, the last one, we're going to focus just a little bit more on this first one. I can get to my Schoology classroom home. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Schoology. And if I'm in my folder, okay, looking right here, this is my folder for today. And if I want to go from my folder today back to my homepage, there are a couple of things that I can do. So there are two ways that I can think of to get to our homepage. One of them, this one's my favorite, but it doesn't work everywhere, is right here. Do you see how this link, it goes underlined blue and my mouse changes, that means it's a link. This right here says second grade. That is our classroom homepage, believe it or not. So if I click on this right now, it's going to take me back to our homepage. Okay, exactly like that. Now, the other way, I'm going to go back in our folder so I can show you the other way. This button right here, this says courses. Now, no matter where you're at in Schoology, this button should always be there. Okay, this button might not always be there, but this one will. If you click on this button, it's going to show you all of the classes that you're in, and our classroom should be right here. So no matter where you're at in Schoology, you click on courses and you click right there on our classroom, and it's going to take you back to our page. All right. Now, there are so many more things about Schoology that we have to learn. But today, I just want you to focus on how to get to our classroom Schoology page, how to open links and folders, and how to find my work for each day. Okay, those are the three things that I want you to focus on because those are the three things you're going to do the most. Okay, now the rest of this week, we're going to explore a little bit more about Schoology. Every day, we'll add a little bit more so that as you spend more time in Schoology and you get more comfortable, we're also going to learn more about it. Okay, all right. Thank you so much for sticking with me. If you have any trouble or frustration with Schoology, maybe just take a break, go get a drink of water, walk around the room, stretch it out a little bit, take some deep breaths, and then come back and try again. Because sometimes if we try and click on a link and it's not working, maybe we just need to try and click on something else or come back to our homepage, our classroom page, and try it again. And if you're really super duper frustrated and you can't figure out what you're doing wrong, go ahead and contact your teacher and we will help you figure it out. All right. Thank you so much. And since we're early, you're going to practice some of those skills right now. I want you to go into your finish early work and get started and watch that video from Mrs. Marino about our I am a second grader finish work packet. All right.